Hello everyone, I welcome you all. This is Lata Avwad, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Chemistry at KVN Naik Arts, Commerce and Science College, Canada Corner, Nasik. In last lecture, we have discussed problem based on intramolecular cyclization free radical reaction. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the intramolecular hydrogen atom transfer reaction and one named reaction, that is Hofmann-Leffler reaction. Now we will see the intramolecular hydrogen transfer reaction. We have seen that substitution and addition reaction can occur intramolecularly. The intramolecular substitution reaction that involves hydrogen abstraction have some unique synthetic applications because they permit functionalization of carbon atom and relatively remote from the initial reaction site. Consider this general reaction in which these radical moiety abstract hydrogen radical from the delta carbon, because there is a formation of 6-member transition state whenever abstraction of hydrogen radical take place. This is alpha, this is beta, this is gamma, this is delta. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6-member transition state is 4. So these X radical abstract this hydrogen and there is formation of new radical take place. Here X, H and here new radical. When this molecule is treated with another molecule, reacts with another molecule, this radical attack on this Y atom and there is formation of this product take place. There are several reaction sequence that involves such intramolecular hydrogen radical abstraction step involved. One example is the photolytically initiated decomposition of N-haloamines in acidic medium, which is known as Hofmann-Leffler reaction. When N-haloamine having delta hydrogen undergoes photochemical reaction and produces delta haloamines, which further undergo intramolecular cyclization by SN2 fashion to produce a 5-member cyclic amine in presence of basic medium. The delta proton is must for this reaction. Moving towards mechanism of this reaction, in presence of acidic medium, the lone pair of nitrogen abstract proton and protonation take place. Nitrogen carries positive charge. In next step, in presence of light, these bond get cleaved and we get cationic radical plus Cl radical. In next step, this cationic radical abstract this delta proton. There is formation of new radical. Here we get nitrogen carries positive charge here, new radical. In next step, this radical abstract or reacts with this Cl radical and formation of delta haloamines take place. In next step, the base abstract this proton and we get delta haloamine. In next step, lone pair of nitrogen attack on this carbon atom and loss of Cl take place, and here we get cyclic 5-member ring. Nitrogen carries positive charge, and in next step this Cl negative abstract this proton and we get pyrrolidine as a product with loss of HCl. Consider this reaction when this cyclic alkene is treated with carbon tetrachloride, we get this first product plus, that is 1,2 disubstituted and 1,5 disubstituted. When same alkene is treated with bromo trichloromethane, we get only this 1,2 disubstituted product. In case of carbon tetrachloride, the radical intermediate undergo two competitive reactions. One is transannular hydrogen abstraction is competitive with abstraction of a chlorine atom from this trichloromethane or carbon tetrachloride. In both product, this product is a major product and this is a minor product. This former reaction leads to the 1,5 substituted product as a major product. When this alkene and carbon tetrachloride reacts with each other, we get this radical moiety. In next step, this radical abstract this hydrogen radical, that is transannular hydrogen abstraction take place instead of abstraction of chlorine from carbon tetrachloride, and we get here new radical, and in next step this new radical abstract chlorine radical from this carbon tetrachloride, and we get this as a major product. The abstraction of hydrogen radical from this delta carbon and abstraction of chlorine from this carbon tetrachloride, these two steps are competitive to each other. But in case of bromo trichloromethane, the abstraction of Br radical is take place faster than abstraction of proton from this delta carbon atom, and we get this as a product. So this is all about intermolecular hydrogen atom transfer free radical reaction and Hofmann-Leufer free radical reaction. If you like this video, then press like button, share with your friends, and to get notification of new videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.